Biggest fear that the World Economic Forum has is that there are going to be people that will not comply.
Tectonic with the ticker Tonic. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I'm back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Another banger of a Tonic video for you guys. In this one, we're gonna go through any latest news and updates of Tonic in this video. And if this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers and then on our way to 3,000 subscribers. I really appreciate all the support that you guys are giving me on these videos. I do my best to respond to comments and see what the rest of the Tonic community is saying and getting into. And yeah, it's great to see the project grow every day I cover the project. I'm seeing the project grow, and that is bullish, man. That is great stuff. Remember, supporting content creators will get the project out there to new eyes, right? And that will also help the project to grow as well. Also, please be sure to check out my Tonic playlist and my Tonic shorts. Now, first thing, we're just gonna run through all the recent news and updates and give you guys just a compacted video so you could easily digest all the recent information, right? From CM Gojo, good morning Tectonians. Effective on February 2nd 2023, 6 a.m. UTC, the market parameters for several markets will be updated, which might result in some accounts being liquidated. Please repay loans or top up collateral before the said date to mitigate any liquidation risk. For details, please refer to the infographic regarding the latest market parameters. So please be sure, if you guys have loans that you need to add collateral to, please be sure to do that before February 2nd 2023. And from the Tonic official Twitter, 57.4k followers. Follower count is growing. Great stuff. And we have a tweet from the Tonic Twitter, which is great. What are the major tectonic plates? And they go into the major tectonic plates, break them down. There are 7 major plates, which are African, Antarctic, Eurasian, Indo-Australian, North American, Pacific, and South American, guys. Everything ties into each other. Always nice to see activity from the Tonic Twitter. I really love to see if the team could put out more tweets, but with a project like this that has utility, they more than likely only put out tweets when they have something that is accomplished, but investors are always on edge, so it would be great if we could get even more updates on a consistent basis. From Siobhan Johnson, had to let some sheep and Lucy go for some Tectonic and Crow. To be honest, I have a nice bag of all 4, but the first 2 are starting to disappoint me. I'm sure they will go far, but not with me. So he's scooping up Crow and Tonic, guys. Hey, I'm not mad at it. Totally $10.99. How many people would like to see Tonic listed on Binance? Everyone in the Tonic community, that's for sure. And this is the video I was going to check out in my previous video, so we're going to check it out in this one. The World Economic Forum is terrified of people who refuse to comply. Let's continue to scare them together. From Jedediah, I think it's Jedediah. We're going to go through this video, guys. The WEF, the world elites, enacting their plans. They're taking away control from the majority of us. So what we have to do to stand up, in my opinion, the best way is to get into decentralization, DeFi, crypto, digital assets, guys. We'll see what this video has for us.
The biggest fear that the World Economic Forum has is that there are going to be people that will not comply. Their biggest fear is your fight for freedom. Their biggest fear is that you will make individual decisions for yourself and you will not follow their orders.
And that is a fact, guys. They really do believe that majority of people will just go along with whatever plans they have for us. Again, treading lightly, because this is YouTube, and a lot of people that speak against the grain get banned, get their channels obliterated. So I'm treading lightly with these videos. But yeah, they're having policies made. They're doing things that are against a lot of people's beliefs. They're still gonna push it out and expect us to just follow along blindly. But there's always gonna be ways for us to stand up.
So this digital stuff is absolutely key. Because without it, they can't enforce anything. Without it, they can't mandate that you do something. Without it, they can't control your life. So I don't care if you're talking about carbon emissions and what's safe and effective as far as they are concerned. I don't care if they're talking about an experimental injection.
So right here we're talking about, digital meaning CBDCs, right? This is how they're gonna affect the put into effect the control with central bank digital currencies. Literally, they'll be able to program your money. What Jedediah is saying right here is very crucial. I've been saying it in some of my previous videos, like for example with the carbon emissions. They're really gonna try to bring down carbon emissions in any way they can, even if it's uncomfortable for us as people, right? My example that I always go back to is how they'll implement these things, control of carbon emissions with the food that we eat. For example, if you like steak, like myself, they more than likely would put a carbon emission limit on the amount of steak that you could purchase. If you exceed that limit, you get a freeze, and you freeze on your account. You can't buy any more steak. Instead, you'll have to buy cricket burgers, insect burgers, and insect Doritos, right? Really treading lightly with everything I say, guys, but this is what I'm seeing, and like I said, this is why I'm in crypto. This is why I learned everything I could about DeFi. Obviously financial freedom as well is going to be a plus, but there's a principle to things, right?
A series of injections, whatever they may be, and what's safe and effective as far as they're concerned. This is not about those individual things. This is about the desire to control you from the outside in. And if they have a digital process whereby they can restrict your movement, your behavior, and your decisions with the click of a button, you are done.
This is what I'm seeing. More and more people are realizing what's going on and speaking about it, and it's great to see, right? What are the solutions though? What I see people speak about it, but what are the solutions? My thought process, as when I experienced that, because I experienced that, control, the long arm of the government before in the past, in which drove me to crypto, right? And my solution was like, well, they can't control decentralization. I could go through, I could get my crazy gains, go through a bunch of mixers and DeFi, and then they won't be able to track it after I go send my money through a bunch of mixers. Things like Tornado Cash, for example, right? These are the things that I learned, and I was like, I really think this is my way of standing up, right? Fighting back. So let me get your thoughts on this information that I'm giving to you guys, man. Decentralized finance, Tectonic Cronos, the Cronos ecosystem, all of that is DeFi. I really don't think the government can control DeFi. It's already too late for them to enact these policies on DeFi itself. The train has already left the station for them to regulate these things. Now, there's certain things they will be able to regulate, but DeFi, I really think that's not gonna happen. But we'll see what happens in the future. From JTM Jack, it's go time, and we see the fear and greed index. We're at a 55 on greed. It's been a long time since we've been in greed, guys. Is this the start of the bull run? It could be the start of the bull run. From Lean 6 DeFi Tonic, I'm not selling, no way. I changed my HODL to 4 years. We're 94% early. Just wait when FOMO starts picking up and more media is released about decentralized finance. I'm telling you guys, this is the future of money. This is the future of the financial ecosystem. We are the banks, and this is how we shall escape the control of what the WEF, the elites, are planning, right? Kabir, current holders, Tonic, 36,634. Tonic holders are growing every day. Every single day, up 63 people from yesterday, guys. And what's great about more and more holders joining the Tonic ecosystem is that we'll have more and more stability in the price because of great wallet distribution, right? If someone with a large bag decides to leave the project, all of those new addresses will maintain that liquidity and that stability, so it won't really have too much of an impact on the price. And with the project being so bullish and the chart being so bullish, there's gonna be a lot of people that buy in to, you know, it for that person that left to take their spot, right? So it's only a matter of time until we see 100k wallet addresses holders for Tonic. From Triple D Poetry, Tonic coming in huge, and we can see right here, man, everybody has, I'm seeing it day by day, more and more people adding Tonic to their watch list. Project is growing on Twitter, social media. Perfect bounce for the total market cap. The total market cap meaning every project that is involved in the space. You see the total market cap has a green move to the upside, and it is breaking its falling wedge trend line, right? When the total market cap starts to go bullish and starts to go parabolic, trust and believe that Cronos will follow and Tonic will follow as well. Where are we at right now from Caesar in the Wall Street cheat sheet? Where are we? Are we at anger, depression, disbelief, disbelief? Where do you guys think we're at right now? And from Game of Trade, stable coins are rushing back into cryptos. This is not the time you want to be on the sidelines. Let's take a look. I covered this before, and if we take a look at Tether right here, $67 billion in Tether, $43 billion in USDC, and $15 billion in BUSD. Slowly and surely, guys, that money from the stable coins are being deployed into crypto assets. People are moving from risk off to risk on assets. This is the time you want to be in crypto. This is the time you want to DCA into projects that you believe in, like a Tonic, like a Crow, VVS, you name it. This is the time to make your investments, right? Because when all of that stablecoin money starts flowing back into the crypto market, it starts with the large caps going crazy, then the mid caps, and then the smaller caps. So keep that in mind, Tonic fam, Crow fam. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really appreciate all the support that you guys give me on these videos. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. This is your first time hearing about Tonic. Let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.